Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Altamonte Springs local and long-distance movers near me. Our Altamonte Springs local TM movers know the ins and outs of the local roads, traffic patterns, and building regulations, allowing us to navigate the city quickly and efficiently. When you choose 3 movers to help you move within Altamonte Springs, you can rest assured that you are getting a team of professionals committed to making your move as smooth and stress-free as possible. From packing and loading to transportation and unloading, we will be with you every step, ensuring your move is completed on time and within budget. At 3 Movers, we specialize in local and long-distance moves, focusing on keeping your items safe and secure throughout the entire moving process. For long-distance moves out of Altamonte Springs, our team will carefully pack your belongings to ensure they arrive at your new destination in the same condition as when they left. We offer competitive pricing options tailored to suit your budget, and our experienced drivers will navigate the journey with care and efficiency. For local moves within Altamonte Springs, we offer various pricing options to suit your budget best, including hourly rates or flat fees. Our Altamonte Springs long-distance 3 Movers team will ensure that your belongings are loaded, transported, and unloaded with the utmost care, ensuring your move is completed quickly and efficiently. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Altamonte Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.